Hi, these flashcards were compiled to facilitate working through the MCAT style passage responses to emotion induction. Okay, and they're based on the psychological, social, and biological foundations of behavior. L blank theory of emotion involves consciously labeling an emotion and then subsequently experiencing it. So, what theory of emotion says first you experience the stimulus, you consciously label it, and then subsequently you experience it. 1, 2, 3 in that order. That's the Lazarus theory of emotion. So here we have our stimulus, a ferocious werewolf-looking dog-like canine thingamajig. He looks, I'm not sure what you call those service dogs. I don't know, it's like part beast, part German Shepherd, I'm not really sure. And anyway, so you encounter this ferocious stimulus and then you appraise it as threat, and then you experience a fear which ultimately yields a bodily response, which in this case would be flight, not fight. Okay? Feeling upset is a behavioral or cognitive response. So what type of response is, anger or feeling upset? That would be a cognitive response, meaning it's conjured up in your brain. And here we can see he's obviously flaming mad, and it's all coming out of his head. And he's probably directing this at the wrong person because it looks like he won't have a job anymore. Or he could be a superior, so he could not have a job anymore. The hypothalamus or thalamus is a sensory relay station. So which brain structure is a sensory relay station? Is it the hypothalamus or thalamus? Which one is it? That would be the thalamus, okay? And here we have the brain stem extracted from the brain, and here sitting atop the brain stem is highlighted the thalamus. All right, so I'll give you a moment to take in this anatomical structure mentally. All right, the hippocampus or hypothalamus is involved in storing memory. So which brain structure is involved in storing memory? Is it the hippocampus or hypothalamus? And if you get this right, that means your memory storage organ is working properly. That would be the hippocampus, okay? And here, there's like a transparent view of the the sulci in the brain, the cortex. And beneath that, you can see the deep brain structures. And highlighted here is the hippocampus, right? It has dual sides, one on the left and one on the right. And this is just showing the left side of this gentleman's head.